This 2009 Honda Odyssey is brought to you by United Stars Auto. 2009 Honda Odyssey 5DRXL/power sliding/rear camera/leather/certified absolutely gorgeous family minivan. Seat 8 comfortably, rear folding seats leading to massive trunk space condition, very desirable color, gray on gray leather interior, ABS brakes, steering wheel mounted on controls, cruise control, dual climate control, rear hot and cold air, CD player, auxiliary, power sliding doors, power sunroof, power seats, heated seats, backup camera, has 2 sets of keys with remotes. It comes fully certified with a safety certificate and a complete detail inside and out. Price to sell records available. Must see perfect first car runs and amp, drives great, very clean interior, well maintained. We finance all type of credit, good, bad, and new credit. Finance rate start from 5.99% and $0 down option available. All cars sold certified for the posted price, unless noted otherwise above. All of our certified vehicles come with a thorough 50 PT inspection test and a free